こんにちは。ハンドメイド作家の花です。今回はダイソーのパールビーズを使ってビーズバッグを作っていきたいと思います。最近ネットショップやお店でもビーズバッグを見かけることが増えてきたんですが、やっぱり手間がかかる商品なので値段の割にサイズが小さいなと感じてしまうことが多くあります。スマホとリップぐらいしか入らないんじゃないかなっていうサイズ感の商品が多いような気がします。そこで今回はこのダイソーの資材だけを使って実用的なサイズのビーズバッグを作っていきたいと思います。作り方も丁寧に解説していくんですが、かかった資材の金額なども最後に発表したいと思うので、そちらも参考にしていただけたら嬉しいです。それでは早速作っていきましょう。Close your eyes and imagine all the stars, even the ones that you cannot see, shine so bright, so shine, shine so bright, so shine so bright and fly so free, just shine, little light of mine. Shooting from left to right, a brilliant beam through the sky. You were made for this very day, to be a light in the dark. Ooh, turn it on, oh my child, close your eyes and imagine all the stars, even the ones that you cannot see, shine so bright, so shine, shine so bright, so shine so bright and fly so free, just shine, little light of mine. Shine. Castles in the air, you can't help but imagine them there. Let your sweet soul dream for hours, don't stop searching for their towers. Ooh, just believe. Oh my child, close your eyes and imagine all the stars, even the ones that you cannot see, shine so bright, so shine so bright, so shine so bright and fly so free, just shine.
you're not always understanding. I like to take my time, but time is what you're always chasing. I know I like to hide, but you're not always keen on seeking. You said you're up for the fight, but I would rather keep on pretending. I feel the divide between you and I, like the distance between the dark and light. But just as the dawn is both day and night, maybe I can make you mine, 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 make you mine. I know that I have grown jaded, and we could lament over losing the days of our youth. Memories faded, the years we look forward to might be over soon. I feel the divide between you and I, like the distance between the dark and light. Just as the dawn is both day and night, maybe I can make you mine. I feel the divide between you and I, like the distance between the dark and light. Just as the dawn is both day and night, maybe I can make you mine, 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 make you mine. Yeah, I'll be honest, I've been waiting for you to be the one that starts saying the truth. 'Cause we play these games like nothing's changed, but we're not the same. Let's stop acting like it's so good when it's not. Are you so sick of always faking, darling? Can't be it's the life to bug on. You know I'm right, it's time we call it. 2 straight months of tension in the air, picking fights just to see if you care. 'Cause we play these games like nothing's changed, but we're not the same. Let's stop acting like it's so good when it's not. Are you so sick of always faking, darling? Can't be it's the life to fuck on. You know I'm right, it's time we call it. Living in my head all the time, wishing we could get back to where we started. Can't be it's the life to fuck on. You know I'm right, it's time we call it. Time we call it. We play these games like nothing's changed, but we're not the same. Let's stop acting like it's so good when it's not. Are you so sick of always faking, darling? Can't be it's the life to fuck on. You know I'm right, it's time we call it. Living in my head all the time, wishing we could get back to where we started. Can't be it's the life to fuck on. You know I'm right,
回はビーズバッグの作り方をご紹介しました。かかった資材の合計金額なんですが、すべてダイソーの資材を使って5830円でした。ちょっとお高いですよね。やっぱりビーズを大量に使う時には手芸店だったり、あとは海外からの直輸入サイトなどを使った方がお安く作れるんじゃないかなと思います。最後に補足説明なんですが、ビーズバッグを作る時には必ず手ぐすれ、そして少し壊れやすそうだなと思った箇所には必ず補強をするようにしてください。私はビーズバッグを初めて作ったのが小学校低学年の時だったんですが、その当時テグスという存在を知らずに縫い糸でビーズバッグを編んでいて、ショッピングセンターでビーズをぶちまけてしまったことがあります。周りの優しい方々が一緒にビーズを拾ってくれたんですが、もうすっごく恥ずかしかったので、ビーズバッグを作る時には必ず手ぐすれ、そして補強も行うようにしてください。特に補強してほしい箇所はこの持ち手の部分ですね。一番負荷がかかる箇所なので、3回通りぐらい手ぐすを通した方が安心できるかなと思います。ビーズバッグは一度作りを理解してしまえば、ビーズの列を増やしたり減らしたりすることでサイズ調整も簡単に行うことができるので、ぜひ自分のお好きなビーズでお好きなサイズのバッグを作ってみてください。それでは最後まで動画ご覧いただいて本当にありがとうございました。ぜひグッドボタンとチャンネル登録もよろしくお願いします。また次の動画でお会いしましょう。バイバイ。